Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl once again, Mabel in Hamburg. If you're new to this channel, I create content around fashion, beauty and lifestyle, and also luxury as well, because I love everything. Like, you guys know me already. So without any further ado, as you can see from the title, it's an MX unboxing. Oh my goodness. So I never really expected this early. Like, I'm so happy and yeah, grateful, happy, and yeah. So let's start from the first big bag. It's big, but it's not what you think. So this bag. So we have this box in here. Oh my goodness. So as you guys know already, the MX orange box. So let's unbox. So let me show you guys what's in here. As you can see already, two dust bag. You know already that this is a shoe. This is a sandals. So let's go. Let me drop it. So I finally got the Chypres sandals. I hope the pronunciation was quite okay. Chypres sandals. I'm gonna write it out, and also the color, also this kind of army color, khaki, like really beautiful. I'm so happy. So here she is, this beautiful Chypres sandals, or that sandals, like really beautiful. Like, oh my goodness, like the one I saw last year. I still have the picture, and I'm gonna be putting the picture up here so you guys can see, and that was in size 42, and that was from the men's collection. Like, really, you can also wear the men's collection from Hermes if you're really in love with it. Why not? So I got this in size 41. Like, you really need to size up in this Chypres sandals, like, and really beautiful. You guys know my actual size is size 39, but most of my MS sandals are all in size 40 because I feel more comfortable when wearing MS sandals in size 40. So because these are dark sandals and they really come small, so you have to size up. That was why my SA decided to order size 41 for me. And yeah, so here she is, really beautiful. Just look at this beautiful color, you know, this beautiful, and she's got this MS detailing here, MS, and on the inside as well, and really beautiful. So this is the back, like made in Italy, and this is the front. Like, oh my goodness, really beautiful, you know. So really beautiful. So I can't wait to style this summer. Like, oh my god, really beautiful, comfortable, you know, that sandals. So let's move to the next. Okay, yeah, the price of this was 570 euros. So I got this for 570 euros. Let me show you. I'm gonna be writing everything out, and also the name of the color as well. So I got this for 570 euros. Really beautiful. I'm so happy, love it.
In between the lines, underneath your bed sheets, it started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post. There's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post, hitting you up, but I'm stuck on hold. Is it really a bad reception out there? Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? Yeah, I've lost you.
So lovelies, we've done with this, so let's go to the next. The next is this small bag. Whoa, the magic box. So let me unbox it, and so I will be telling you the story behind this. So let's get started. So here we go. It's a constant to go. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful, lovely, and the classic MS gold color with gold hardware and really beautiful. Like, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Let me take her out. So like the story behind this, like I wanted a Kelly wallet to go. Yeah, so I saw the Kelly to go, really beautiful, black with gold hardware, super stunning. So we were just kind of like discussing, and then I asked her that when I get this Kelly to go, so when can I be able to kind of will I also be able to get a constant to go also this year? And then she said no, because they are very difficult, like she's not gonna promise me. So, and then she said they've got two, but one is reserved, so she's gonna see if the second one is reserved as well. If not, she's gonna bring it out for me to kind of take a look. That the price difference is very big, like this is more pricey than the Kelly to go or the Kelly wallet, you know, the price is more, you know. And then I said okay, so she went in, and then she came with this beautiful stunning constant to go in gold leather, you know, the MS gold color and the gold hardware. Like, oh my god, like I just kind of like. And then I asked her, please, is this also reserved? And she said no, Mabel. And then she now asked me, okay, are you still going for the Kelly to go, or are you going for the constant? I can't take both, so it's not acceptable. Like a lot of people are also waiting on the wish list, like she's not going to give me this two beautiful item at once. And I said okay, and then she asked me to decide if I'm still going to go ahead with the Kelly to go or to take the constant to go. So I decide for the constant to go, because you know, you guys know I love this MS gold, and yeah, constant to go is really difficult. So still got the foil. I think, let me open it, let me take this off. Oh my god, it's so shiny. Oh my god. Okay, like I would do, you can really see the difference. Like I just pull the foil out from this side, you can see, but this side is still with the foil, so I will do it later. I think because of my nails, I'm not able to do it properly. So let's open her. You open like this. Oh my god, really beautiful. I'm so happy. So MS Paris, made in France. And then this is the strap, you know, like the inside has 6 card slots on the inside, and additional slot here for notes, or if you have anything you're gonna keep here as well, your phone, and then this large one as well here, and then yeah, this zipper, you know, where you can put your keys, you know, you put your keys in there. Really beautiful. This is my phone, so fits perfectly, like perfectly, you know. This is my bag, you know, how she looks, you know. So this is the small strap pouch. Yeah, the strap. My goodness, look at our new baby. Oh my goodness, really beautiful. Like, oh.
Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between.
Oh my goodness, like I'm really happy for this bag. And yeah, so lovelies, we've come to the end of the video. Hope you guys love my video, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe and also follow me on Instagram, Mabel in Hamburg. See you all on my next video. Love you to the moon and back.
But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you.